Welcome to the YouTube channel Last Minute Preparation, and in this video you'll learn about some basic operations that happen on a matrix. The transpose of a matrix, finding the trace of a matrix, and multiplication of matrix. So let's get started.
पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो।
So the first concept or the first basic operation that we'll learn is finding the transpose of a matrix. This is one of the simple so finding the transpose of a matrix is some of the simplest concepts in matrices. It is nothing but converting the row elements into the column elements, or converting the column elements into the row elements, right? So converting rows to columns, or converting column elements to rows. So let us take a matrix M, and the elements, let's say, are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So if you wanted to find the transpose of a matrix, it is represented as M of t, like this. Here the row elements of the first row will be now changed into the elements of the first column, 1 2 3. Similarly, the second row elements will now become second column elements, 4 5 6, and the third row elements will become the third column elements, 7 8 9. So this is how you build or how you make a transpose of a matrix. And it is similar for even a 2 by 2 matrix. So let us take a 2 by 2 matrix, 1 2 3 4, and finding the transpose of this matrix will be equal to, you have to change the first row elements and make them into first column elements. So the first row elements here are 1 and 2. Now they'll become into the first column elements. Similarly, the second row elements will now become second column elements. So it is this simple, right? So the second topic that we learn in this video is finding the trace of a matrix. Trace of a matrix. Trace is nothing but the sum of all the elements in the diagonal matrix. It is the sum of all the elements present in the diagonal matrix. So I'll give you an example for this. So let us take a matrix called M. Let us take some random numbers, 8 9 0 1 2 3. So the trace of matrix M will be equal to the sum of all the elements present in the diagonal matrix, that is 4 plus 9 plus 3, that is equal to 12 plus 4 is 16. So this is how you find the trace of a matrix. So it is the same for even the 2 by 2 matrix. So let us take a matrix M, a 2 by 2 matrix, 9 0 1 3. So the trace of this matrix will be equal to 9 plus 3, that is equal to 12. So this is how you find the trace of the matrix. And the third concept in this video will be the multiplication of matrices. The multiplication of matrices. This is some of the most important concepts in this playlist or in the subject. So the multiplication of matrices, there is a condition for any matrix multiplication to happen. Say for example, there are two matrices A in matrix B, and let's say the matrix A has 3 rows and 2 columns, and matrix B has 3 rows and 2 columns. So the matrix multiplication will only happen under a condition, and that condition is if the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. That is, if you see here, the number of columns in the first matrix is 2, and the number of rows in the first matrix is 3. Since 2 is not equal to 3, the matrix multiplication of A and B is not possible, right? So let us take another example where A is a matrix, 3 by 2 matrix, and B is a 2 cross 3 matrix. So here the matrix multiplication or A cross B will happen because the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. So in this condition the matrix multiplication will happen, and we'll take an example to prove this now. So let us take a matrix A where we have 3 rows and 2 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and matrix B where we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So we have to multiply A and B. So the product of A cross B will be equal to, we have to multiply the, so for the matrix multiplication we have to first take the row element of the first matrix and multiply it with the column element of the second matrix. So that is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 4. So take the first row element 1 and 2 and multiply it with the second column. So that will be equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5. Right? Now similarly the first row with the third column. So now multiply the first row with the third column. That will be equal to 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6. Right? Now similarly take this second row and multiply it with the first column. We'll be getting 3 into 1 plus 4 into 4. Similarly second row with the second column, that will be equal to 3 into 2 plus 4 into 5. Now with the third column, 3 into 3 plus 4 into 6. Now we take the third row. Now we take the third row and multiply it with the first column. So 1 into 5 plus 6 into 4. Now with the second column, so that is 5 times 2 plus 6 times 5. And the third column now. So 5 into 3 plus 6 into 6. So solving this will give you the matrix A cross B. Right, so 1 plus 8 is 9, 10 plus 2 is 12, and 6 plus 3 is, 12 plus 3 is 15, and 3 plus 16 is 19, and 6 plus 20 is 26, 9 plus 24 is 33, and 5 plus 24 is 29, and 10 plus 30 is 40, and 15 plus 36 is 51. So this is the matrix multiplication, and this is the total sum of matrix A cross B. So this is how you do the matrix multiplication. And so let us keep this video till here, and thank you for watching. And in the next video we'll discuss few more concepts about matrices, and I'll see you in the next.